फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next Time. So Rama Kaushik with match report of Bangladesh versus Nepal game. Bangladesh have made it to the Super 8s of the T20 World Cup 2024 after they defeated Nepal and won by 21 runs. Bangladesh won this match and it was a low scoring one. So they were able to defend the lowest ever total in T20 World Cups. Bangladesh, along with South Africa from Group D, have now cruised to the Super 8s. It was actually a toss up between Netherlands and Bangladesh, but first up, Bangladesh defeated Nepal, and over there, Sri Lanka outclassed Netherlands. So the top two teams from Group D who have made it to the Super 8s is now South Africa and Nepal. Now, talking about Bangladesh versus Nepal match, Nepal rejoiced, they celebrated because Bangladesh started off really poorly when they came out to bat, especially the openers. They didn't score well. And if you look at the scorecard, it's pretty clear how Tanzid Hassan went back on a golden duck. Liton Das made just 10 off 12. Then Shanto made 4. Shakib Al Hassan made 17 of 22. And Shakib Al Hassan was the only one to put up maximum runs for Bangladesh on the scoreboard. And that's how Bangladesh struggled to even cross 110 mark. They made just 106 runs. The loss of 10 wickets in 19.3 overs. And at that point of time, Bangladesh felt that they were 20 to 30 runs short in this match. And what was required was a complete bowling performance from the Bangladesh side. And that's what they did to cruise into the Super 8s. So here is a Nepal's scorecard, and it's pretty clear how Nepal struggled hard. They batted completely opposite to how they batted against South Africa. So you all must have remembered their performance against South Africa, where South Africa won by just a single run. But here against Bangladesh, Nepal looked just out of the place. It seemed that Nepal had planned something, but it all went wrong and nothing went their way. But a lot of credit goes to Bangladesh bowlers, especially the way Tanzim Hassan Saqib bowled. He gave just 7 runs in his 4 overs, took 4 wickets, and bowled with an economy of 1.75. In terms of economy, Mustafizur Rahman also bowled in similar fashion, but Saqib, he nailed it. The way he bowled, it was amazing, and that's how the Nepal batters struggled pretty hard. Now, if we talk about the Nepal batters, then first 5 batters went back to the pavilion when Nepal didn't even register 50 runs on board. And it was only contribution from Kushal Malla and Dipendra Singh Airi that they made a 50-run partnership, and later on Nepal were able to put up 85 runs on board. तो पहले 5 बैटर्स तो इतनी जल्दी चले गए थे कि एक समय पे लग रहा था 50 रन भी नहीं बनेंगे, but there was Malla and Airi who made 50-run stand, and then they took Nepal to 85 runs. But at the end of the day, Bangladesh won the match by 21 runs, and now they have cruised to the Super 8 stage of the T20 World Cup. Now, talking about Bangladesh's bowler, Saqib, he has bowled his best spell of his career, and ये उनका सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस था आज तक T20 फॉर्मेट में. As I already mentioned, he bowled with an economy of 1.75, just gave away 7 runs in his 4 overs, also took 4 wickets, 2 maidens. Along with him, Rahman also bowled pretty well, as he also gave 7 runs in his 4 overs, 1 maiden, and took 3 wickets. Apart from that, Shakib Al Hassan took 2 wickets, and one very important and interesting thing about Shakib Al Hassan is that next time when he'll come up in this tournament, he'll be on a hat trick, because he took 2 wickets on his last 2 balls of his over. So now Shakib Al Hassan will come up and he will have a hat trick. He will be on a hat trick. Whether that'll be completed or not, only time will tell. But that's that. But if you talk about Bangladesh batters' performance, they will have to gear up. They will have to, put up better performances in the Super 8 stage in order to, reach to the semi-finals. Because after that, only few matches will be there. Like after the Super 8 stage, only 2 matches will be there, one semi-final and final. So if Bangladesh have to win the trophy, they'll have to put up a good batting performance. Well, that's that about Bangladesh Nepal match. Once again, Bangladesh have created history in terms of defending the lowest total ever in T20 World Cup tournament, and that's how Bangladesh have cruised to the Super 8 stage. For more details and updates, you stay tuned to Cricket Next. We'll come up with more such interesting videos and live shows.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।